Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just don't think that it's possible because you are broke? Guess what? I'm going to introduce you to a program that you can be part of. It is fully funded. If this is something that you are interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way to the very end. And if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I would like to meet you. Where in the world are you tuning in from? And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for your love and your incredible support. And if you're seeing me for the first time, let me also go ahead and introduce myself as well. So besties, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, multi-fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me, yes, on this channel every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Without wasting your time, let's get right into this business. Come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, have you heard of the Aspire Leaders Program 2026? It is a fully funded virtual leadership program for a limited income and first generation university and recent graduates from the ages of 18 to 29. Harvard X courses, mentorship and global networking, with applications open for its 2026 intake, and they are focusing on developing emerging leaders from around the world through interactive free online training, fellowship and competition, jobs and internship. It is fully funded, and the fellowship is called Aspire Leaders Program 2026. It's open to everyone in the world. Now, this program is one of the most accessible and impactful global leadership opportunities available to students today. It is designed for first generation and low-income university students. The program offers world-class training, global networking, mentorship, professional development, and all of them is 100% free. So if you're from anywhere in the world, you're an undergraduate, you're a fresh graduate, or a young professional between the ages of 18 to 29, this program can elevate your academic and career journey, especially if you plan to study or work abroad in the future. Now, what is the Aspire Leaders Program? Guys, the Aspire Leaders Program is a fully online leadership development experience created to equip young people from underserved backgrounds with the tools, confidence, and global exposure needed to thrive in competitive environments. Participants gain access to leadership and personal development courses, professional skill building workshops, Harvard-inspired curriculum, networking with peers from over 100 global countries. Yes, you get global mentorship opportunities, as well as access to exclusive grants, funding, and alumni support. This program is built to help students discover their leadership potential, even if they have limited resources or international exposure. Here is why you should apply. It's open to all students everywhere in the world. So if you're someone that faces financial, structural, or even academic barriers, this Aspire Leaders Program removes all of that. And here is why it matters. It helps strengthen your visa and scholarship applications. Yes, international programs actually love applicants who have proven leadership experience. So when you complete the Aspire programs, it signals initiative, global awareness, and readiness. It also boosts your resume, your CV with recognized global training. Yes, you graduate with a strong credential that stands out in scholarships and job applications. You also learn high value skills. Now, the program teaches communication, digital leadership, AI awareness, public speaking, teamwork, and problem solving, all relevant to both local and international careers. It is also flexible and free. Students can participate from anywhere in Nigeria without traveling or spending money. You can also join a global network, and this includes peers, mentors, industry leaders, alumni, connections that can open doors much later. As for the eligibility, to qualify for Aspire Leaders Program 2026, you must be between the ages of 18 to 29 years old. You must be a first generation or low income university student or recent graduate, and you must be able to understand and communicate in English language. Yes, and you must be committed to completing online activities and engagement sessions. Your course of study does not matter. Yes, students from all academic fields are welcome. So what you gain as a participant is as follows. Number 1, you gain leadership development skills. Yes, you learn real leadership skills that helps you to stand out in school, in your career, and of course in global opportunities. It also gives you global exposure. Without traveling, you experience international learning and collaboration from home. You also get professional growth. So you get help polishing your CV, your LinkedIn profile, your professional documents, special grants and opportunities. Aspire alumni also get exclusive access to project funds, mentorship, and more. And here is how to apply for the Aspire Leaders Program. See, applying is simple and should take less than 10 minutes. Follow these steps. Visit the Aspire Leaders Program website. Get to their application portal. Create a profile for yourself. Create an account using your active email. Fill out your personal details, your background, motivation. Submit it before the deadline for your desired cohorts. Then check your email regularly for updates. Here are some of the tips that will help you strengthen your application. Share real examples of leadership. Yes, it doesn't matter how small, whether you did it in church or in school. Highlight challenges that you've also faced academically or financially, and how how you overcame them. Also show passion for community growth, innovation, or social impact. And be clear about your goals, how Aspire will help you to grow. Remember that you value potential more than perfection. So guys, in case you're wondering, is it free? Is the program free? Yes, it is free. All training materials and sessions are completely free. And in case you're wondering, does it require travel? No, it is fully online. So students anywhere in the world can join. If you're also wondering, can you get a certificate? Yes. Participants receive certificates and access to alumni benefits. And if you're asking, can it help with scholarships or study abroad application? Yes, absolutely. Many alumni have actually reported improved scholarship success after completing the program. So guys, at this point, I want to implore you, I want to encourage you to go ahead and apply right now, even if you think that you don't qualify. And make sure that you share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. It's open to every country in the world. As long as you're between the ages of 18 to 35, go ahead and apply for this opportunity. So that is about it, guys. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to my amazing Patreon community. Thank you so much for supporting my creative journey. Please go ahead and join my Patreon community. You can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. And to all of my channel members as well, thank you once again. If you want to join my channel membership, you can find the join button right next to the subscribe button and go ahead and join my channel membership, and we can take it from there. And that is about it, guys. I also want to let you guys know that I'm open for business collaborations and partnerships. Just send an email to ceo@chassiseverything.com. Let me take it again, ceo@chassiseverything.com. I also have a sign-up list. Yes, so go ahead and join my email list. Finally, we have an email list, a sign-up form for email list. We have about 8,000 subscribers on this channel, so go ahead and join my email. It would be nice if I have all 8,000 emails, right? So go ahead and join my email list. Just sign up on my email list and also join my Telegram channel. Yeah, I have a Telegram channel. It's free. I'll put the link in the description as well. So please subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video, and do well to also share. And if you're new and you have not introduced yourself yet, please go ahead and do that. Introduce yourself in the comments. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to those of you that love movies, this is just by the way, to those of you that love movies, I'm introducing you to filmcurator.io. Yes, filmcurator.io. This is a platform that would recommend movies directly into your inbox. Because you're using my link, it is free of charge for you, like for all times, right? It is free of charge. You don't need to pay. So go to filmcurator.io and thank me later. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and God bless. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye for now.